Welcome. My name is Dr. Martin, and I am the proud principal at the Journey School. Our rising entrepreneurs have a very busy day, which is why they are here every day, on time, and all day. Let's take a sneak peek into their day.
Hi, I'm Genevieve. I am a first grade rising entrepreneur at the Journey School. I'm in the University of Washington, and today I'm taking you behind the scenes. My day starts early, from 7:25 to 7:50. I get breakfast from the NPR. It's the perfect time to fuel up and catch up with my class. Then at 8 a.m. sharp, the learning begins. By 8:05, I'm off to see my SFA teacher for language arts. Being here on time is super important. It means I don't miss out on phonics, decoding, and my favorite part, reading stories. Time to recharge. That's what we call recess. I get to run around, eat a snack, and just have fun with my friends. It's the perfect break before we head back for math. Later on, we dive into small groups. That's where I get extra help with words, sounds, and comprehension. And for my friends learning English, we have ERD time to help us be total pros at reading and writing. Before we go home, we pack up and talk about everything we learned. I make sure that I stay for the whole day so I don't miss a single thing. Every minute helps me learn math and reading. I love being a first grader at the Journey School. See you tomorrow!